Good afternoon. Today is June 20th and we are in the fig greenhouse and getting ready to pick a fig. I've kind of let this one hang for several days. It's very wrinkly, but I believe it's more than ready. This is Campaneire. A little damage there, but eyes a little open. Ain't got no ants. It's been hanging. Let's go take it and cut it open and see what it looks like. Alright, now we're back inside. This is Campaneire. We'll look at it again. Got a pretty good eye on it. A bit of bug damage here, but it'll be okay. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, pretty typical. Campaneire. See what it tastes like. It's thick. It's kind of got a little bit of a citrusy flavor, I think. Kind of sweet. Kind of pops like a little tangerine. Like you know when you buy those little cutie oranges. You get a slice of them, how it kind of pops. Kind of does that. Has it got any seed crunch? No seed crunch. It's got a refreshing flavor. It's not overly sweet, but what kind of flavor would you say it has? It's just kind of figgy. I don't really taste. I don't know if it's got any berry in it really. But it's kind of a honey figgy flavor. It's kind of different. Like I said, it's kind of about like the consistency of a little orange. So, Campaneire.